अभी आजकल हम क्रूज के बारे में, एलएनजी के बारे में बहुत सारी चीजें दिमाग में रहती हैं, राइट? तो वडेरा सर से मैं कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगा और सर उसी में आंसर्स देंगे एंड विल गेट द थिंग विद इन नेक्स्ट 20-25 मिनट्स. देन आफ्टर दैट यू कैन स्टार्ट विद योर प्रोग्राम एंड एवरीथिंग. कॉपीड गाइस? सो आई वेलकम वडेरा सर, प्लीज. अब ये बेसमेंट का शूट तो बिल्कुल सर, एक सेकेंड सर, बेसमेंट का शूट करने से पहले और बच्चों को बुलवा लीजिए, क्योंकि ये तो बहुत खराब लगेगा इतने बच्चों के साथ. और या हो सकता है नहीं हो सकता है, तो बहुत खराब लगेगा बेसमेंट शूट विद दीस मेनी स्टूडेंट्स विल लुक वेरी ऑड यार. या इसको सेट कर ले कि अगली बार जब कभी मेरा सेशन रहेगा सैटरडे को थोड़ी देर के लिए आजा, आधे घंटे के लिए, तब कर लेगा. बच्चे ही नहीं, कहाँ बच्चे दिखेंगे ही नहीं.
Shall I start or I should wait?
कर लो अभी जो करना है, बट आई एम नॉट वेरी हैप्पी.
Shall I start?
या बिल्कुल सर. हैरी,
Hello
Hi.
to all. Good morning, all of you.
नहीं चल पाएगा, बहुत तेज आवाज है इसकी.
Very happy Republic Day to all of you. So, my name is Prateek Vadera, and as Praneeth said that I am working as a chief engineer on LNG carriers, currently with NYK Ship Management. And before an interactive session start, I would just like to give a brief about myself. Just as you students are here, I started, I completed my 12th in 2001, and then I am a mechanical engineer. I did from Kurukshetra University and passed from 2005. I happened to clear Shipping Corporation of India exam. That time it used to be a different one than of current, than the induction in current scenario. And I started sailing in 2007 with SCI only. In 2009, I was fortunate enough to be inducted into LNG carriers. That is a part of MOL, K-Line and NYK with SCI. Since till 2020, I worked with them and I got promoted as chief engineer there only. Then I worked with Dynagas, and then currently I am chief engineer with NYK Ship Management. It would be a brief session about how you all should look your career and progress your career ahead. And feel free to ask me any question related to progression and what specific vessel you should eventually land up and try to land up in. You eventually gain more money, I guess.
Sir, I will be asking the questions on their behalf today. For the first time, I want it to be from my end. So, sir, 5 reasons, and you have to be dead honest, sir, because I think thousands of people will watch this. नहीं, मुझे जरूरत नहीं है अभी फिलहाल. तो the thing is 5 reasons why these students should not join merchant navy, and you can say worst of the worst things you want to say. 5 reasons that these students should not join merchant navy. So please, by your opinion.
Okay, so I would be very honest. Why you should not join merchant navy is, first of all, family life. Okay, just like army, navy, air force, we people, cover most of our time on ships. Say for initially you would be there 9 out of 12 months on board only. So first and foremost would be family life. Second thing I would say that if you want to be in merchant navy forever, then your career progression is still the level of only master and chief engineer. Okay, if you want to come ashore, like I also have aspirations now in coming future, so then it is a different issue. But if you want to be in merchant navy only, then your highest rank is master chief engineer, and forever you will sail as master chief engineer. Second thing would be
So stagnancy.
So stagnancy is there. Then third thing I would say that if say some of you would be brilliant enough to go to institutes, higher institutes of MBA like IIM and XLRI and other institutes, then lately 5 to 10 years what I have seen is that our salary and their salary have come at par, and probably some of them are earning even more. So third thing is that any medical exigencies at home cannot be dealt with immediately. So there may be times in your career, like I also faced in past 3 years, that you have to be at home and then your salary and everything is stopped. So you have to get from your own savings, which is probably not the case if you are working ashore. And fifth one,
सर 4 रीजन नहीं 5वां सोचिए सर, रिस्क्स.
so obviously the risk of life is there when you are working on board and when you are ashore. Obviously one could face accidents anywhere. On road also you can face accident, but the chances of probability of getting into a serious accident or any casualty is more on board than in comparison to shore. So that's what
So 5 reasons guys जो कि सर ने बोले. फैमिली लाइफ डेड, अग्रीड. सेकंड थिंग इज सर ने बोला दैट वाज स्टैग्नेंसी. सो स्टैग्नेंसी, फैमिली लाइफ इट्स अ चैलेंज. अब फैमिली लाइफ यहां पर भी चैलेंज है द वे एंड नॉट वो चीज कहते हुए कि आज मेरी वाइफ अभी मुझे कहती है कि तुम यहां पर है कि टाइम कम देते हो. अभी सर ये मेरी वाइफ का कहना है यहाँ पे कि सारा टाइम तुम बिजी रहते हो, 14 घंटे काम, 15 घंटे काम. बट यस, इसमें कोई शक नहीं है कि रात को आई कम बैक टू माई फैमिली एवरी सिंगल डे. सो नो डाउट अबाउट इट दैट व्हेन यू गो अवे यू मिस योर फैमिली लॉट, स्पेशली व्हेन यू हैव योर चाइल्ड. जैसे बच्चा होता है दैट इज द बिगेस्ट मिसिंग दैट इट स्टार्ट्स विद. सेकंड थिंग, थर्ड सर ने बोला दैट वाज
in comparison to
तो स्टैग्नेंसी के अंदर गाइस यू कम टू श्योर, अपॉर्चुनिटीज स्टार्ट कमिंग अप अगेन वेरी सून. अभी सर रिसेंटली आई मेड अ वीडियो टेक्निकल सुपरिटेंडेंट एंड आई एम कमिंग अप विद फ्लीट मैनेजर्स एंड अ शिप टू शोर सीरीज, जहां पर लोगों को चलेगा कि जहाज की नौकरी छोड़ के आपके पास क्या क्या बढ़िया बढ़िया अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं जो कि आप यहां पर पा सकते हो. एक चीफर बनने के बाद इफ टुडे सर अगर मैं आपसे पूछे टेक्निकल सुपरिटेंडेंट के जॉब में इंडिया में 36 से 40 लाख का पैकेज है यहाँ पे. अग्रीड सर? विच इज नॉट लेस. अगर हम ये मान के चले दैट वी आर नॉट स्मार्टेस्ट ऑफ द स्मार्टेस्ट पीपल, सो वी हैव अपॉर्चुनिटीज एज वेल एज ऑन शोर. थर्ड थिंग इज तो स्टैग्नेंसी. थर्ड थिंग वाज मार्केट सैलरी. नाउ गाइस इसमें कोई शक नहीं है, आई एग्री विद सर कि पिछले 10-12 साल में सर हमारी सैलरी नहीं बढ़ी है. दी ओनली थिंग दैट हैज हैपेंड इज डॉलर का रेट बढ़ा है, हम वहीं बचे हुए हैं. वरना अब तक जय माता दी होगी होती. बट सर अलॉन्ग विद दैट आई वांट टू ऐड वन थिंग कि सर जस्ट आस्किंग, अभी सर आप अपनी नहीं, एक चीफ ईयर की सैलरी जो कि एनवाई की शिप का सेल करता है और जिसका आपके जितना एक्सपीरियंस है, कितनी सैलरी हो सकती है? आपका एक क्लोन है, उसकी कितनी सैलरी है मैं जानना चाहता हूं.
See, I would give a bracket to be very fair. On LNG carriers, as Praneeth know, the salaries are the highest in comparison to bulk carriers and tankers and chemical carriers and all those things. So today, I would not say about myself, but in general, salaries on LNG carrier for a new chief engineer till 5-year experience chief engineer lands up somewhere around.
हाँ देखो भाव, लेकिन इसे भाव मत कीजिए, अभी पहले चैलेंजेस सुन लीजिए सर. डॉलर माने तो लगभग कितने हो गया रुपीस में सर पर मंथ की सैलरी. और सर 6 महीने करते ही करते हम लोग की सैलरी हमारी इन हैंड आती है 1 साल के अंदर, 6 महीने काम करके. नाउ सर आई वांट टू आस्क यू वन थिंग, अगर सर जमीन पे कमाने हैं तो मेरा पैकेज कितना, क्योंकि सर ये तो पूरा व्हाइट मनी है जो पूरा अकाउंट में क्या कोई पूछने वाला नहीं. मोदी जी आके बोलेंगे वडेरा जी कांग्रेचुलेशन, दिस इज योर मनी. लेकिन सर
इट इज नॉट हैपनिंग फॉर पास्ट 3-4 इयर्स. आई एम गिविंग लॉट ऑफ टैक्स
क्योंकि आप जा नहीं रहे, आप जा नहीं पा रहे बिकॉज ऑफ ये फैमिली रीजन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट गाइस. देखो फैमिली कम्स फर्स्ट, लेकिन अगर आप जा पाए तो देन दिस इज द थिंग. नाउ सर अगर जमीन पे ये पैकेज कमाना है, 30% टैक्स सरकार को देना है, तो कम से कम का पैकेज होना चाहिए सर, ये तो आप मानेंगे?
रफली अराउंड.
अब सर आई वांट टू शेयर वन स्टैट्स विद यू, आई हैव शेयर्ड इन वीडियो एज वेल, जो मुझे नहीं पता थे. 2019 का इनकम टैक्स रिटर्न का इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स के अंदर एक पूरा सर्कुलर आया था सर. उसके अंदर आया था कि 1 करोड़ से ऊपर जो पैकेज है इंडिया में कितने लोगों ने फाइल किया टैक्स उसके ऊपर. सर एक नंबर कोई गेस करना चाहेगा यहाँ पे? एक नंबर की इंडिया में 2019 में, मैं 23 की बात नहीं कर रहा हूं, अब तक शायद सिग्निफिकेंट नंबर बढ़ गया हो, बट मेरे पास कोई रिजल्ट नहीं आ रहा क्योंकि आईटी ने नहीं दिए हैं. लेकिन 2019 के इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स में आए हुए थे. तो कैन यू शेयर द नंबर के कितने लोगों ने, दैट इंक्लूड डॉक्टर्स, इंजीनियर्स, एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, नहीं सैलरीड पीपल की बात कर रहा हूं, डॉक्टर्स, सीएस, लॉयर्स, जो सैलरीड कितने लोग होंगे? नंबर ये इन लोगों ने वीडियो देखा है नालायकों ने। तो सर पूरी कंट्री में 2019 में सिर्फ 2200 लोग थे, जस्ट आपको बता रहा हूं, अब ये आपको बता रहा हूं सर, ये मैं आपको लिंक भेजूंगा।
Okay.
सिर्फ 2200 लोग थे, और ये इनकम टैक्स रिटर्न डालेंगे ना, इनकम टैक्स रिटर्न 1 करोड़ अप, तो आपको अपने आप आईटी के उस पर दिख जाएगा ये।
Okay.
सिर्फ 2200 लोग थे हिंदुस्तान में जिन्होंने इसके ऊपर फाइल किया था। अब सर मैं आपसे पूछूं, 2019 में भी आपकी सैलरी लगभग इसके आसपास ही थी?
Yeah, $2,000 somewhere.
तो सर हाँ, आसपास, इसके आसपास ही थी। तो दैट मीन्स कि आप सर उस ब्रैकेट में आते थे, विच वी डू नॉट रियलाइज। व्हाई आई टेल यू सर, कि हम लोग हिंदुस्तान के अंदर, हम जब सैलरीज का कंपैरिजन करते हैं इंडिया के साथ साथ हम अब्रॉड से करते हैं, हम करते हैं यूएस में कितने डॉलर सैलरी है, कितने $1 मिलियन सैलरी, समथिंग लाइक दैट, बट वहां पर खर्चे भी उस हिसाब से होते हैं सर, ये फैक्ट है। द मोमेंट सर आप सुप्रीम की जॉब करने जाएंगे, द मोमेंट आप सिंगापुर जाएंगे, द मोमेंट आप हांगकांग जाएंगे, आपके खर्चे उस हिसाब से हो जाएंगे। अग्रीड सर?
Correct.
लेकिन यहां पर सर आप कोई, मेरे ख्याल से यू आर नॉट पेइंग एनीथिंग, रेंट वगैरह नहीं, अपने घर में रह रहे हैं, ऐसी कोई चीज नहीं है।
Correct.
सो गाइस दिस इज द थिंग, द बिगेस्ट चैलेंजेस सर जो फेस करोगे टुडे इज स्टेइंग अवे फ्रॉम फैमिली व्हेन योर फैमिली नीड्स, यू आर नॉट देयर। नाउ सर एज अ फैमिली, अभी छोटा बच्चा है, एंड आई थिंक सो दिस इज द मेन पिन पॉइंट, अगर मैं गलत नहीं बोल रहा हूं सर।
Exactly.
So guys, these are the 5 reasons, not justifying, but sharing my stats. But again, I'm telling you, it's true. मैंने अगर आज यहां पर खड़ा और नौकरी छोड़ी, उसमें एक बहुत बड़ा रीजन था कि the moment my son became 2 साल का हो गया और बोला पापा, बोला मेरा सर, उस दिन मैं रोते हुए पहली बार झाड़ पे चढ़ा हूं। So being very honest, it was not easy. So now sir, अब इसी में मैंने 5 रीजन ये भी शेयर कर दिए कि क्यों ज्वाइन करना चाहिए। इसी में एलएनजी कैरियर का भी लाइफ आ गया। Now sir, one thing which is the most important thing, sir, that is accidents on ship. सर कोई ऐसा एक्सीडेंट जो कि इनकी रूह कंपा दे, जो कि आपने अगर अपनी आंखों से देखा है, आई वुड लव टू नो। इनको डर बैठना चाहिए सर, अगर आपकी आंखों के सामने हुआ है। सर कुछ है, सुनो गधो।
Accidents had happened on board, but as Parineet said, I was fortunate enough that whichever vessels I sailed on, people were very cautious about safety and all, and culture wise also on LNG carriers. Otherwise also it is more in comparison to other fleet like bulk carriers and all. I don't know, probably the reason is that stakes are high on LNG carrier, and the cargo that we are carrying is much more costlier, and all insurance, freight rates, and
Dangerous as well.
everything is more in comparison to other carriers. So in my knowledge, I have not seen any major accident, except that one time or twice somebody tripped from some platform and broke his leg or something like that. But before I joined one vessel, I remember as 5th engineer, that is junior engineer in 2007. 15 days prior, only on that vessel, there is a thing called incinerator. Probably you would have studied.
नहीं सर, यहाँ पर
You
नहीं।
have not studied. So it is related to waste management. Basically, whatever garbage is there or oil production, that is sludge and all. So it is done in incinerator on board. New cadet, or I would say a junior engineer, the fan was not running. So in that started the motor, it was not revolving actually, and he put his hand and suddenly started, and that finger was cut from this place. So the oiler was very, he was very old, so he immediately picked that finger and put it in ice, and fortunately the next day vessel was to reach port. So his father was a big shot otherwise, and what I came to learn that was his last ship, but his finger was saved fortunately.
और अगर सर ये 10-15 दिन के लिए अगर जहाज भी समुद्र होता तो
then end of story.
Guys, this is another challenge that you have to realize. Your safety is your safety. Nobody else's responsibility. While walking on road, while riding Activa, while bunking from classes, यहाँ वहां जा रहे हो और झाड़ पे आके कहीं पंखे में, मैं बता रहा हूँ, मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ। यहाँ पे फिर you can find महंत इंद्रेश का हॉस्पिटल, दून हॉस्पिटल, मैक्स हॉस्पिटल. Over there is no one. A smart oiler saved a finger that when the port was coming next day, the guy was lucky. What if you are in mid-Pacific, the port is going to come 10 days later, nobody will be able to save your leg or a finger. This is the biggest thing that you should be worried about and you should be concerned. सोचिए, जाना है कि नहीं जाना, मेक योर डिसीजन राइट नाउ, बट दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट इज नॉट इजी. ये जो डॉलर देख रहे हो, सोच रहे हो, देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ sacrifices, there are a lot of cost, lot of sweat and lot of blood involved with that. Copy it, guys? Now sir, next question from my end is, which are the top 5 companies that you would recommend them अगर ये कल को LNG कैरियर पे ट्रांसलेट करता है तो कौन सी ज्वाइन करे?
On LNG carriers.
All LNG carriers.
See, whenever you talk about LNG carriers, most of the ownership companies are only having it, right? So I would start with the highest number of LNG carriers currently that company is having is MOL. Okay.
Mitsui O.S.K.
Lines is having the largest fleet. Then I would talk about first 3 Japanese, second is NYK, and third is K Line. Besides that, if I come to European side, then there is a company called Maran Gas. They are having a huge fleet now. Also, Nakilat, that is Qatar Gas. They have already ordered 100 LNG vessels, and by the way, one LNG vessel is costing in today's date somewhere around $255 million. So, in that amount, 4 VLCCs can come. So, it is a heavy investment on in LNG carriers, and Qatar Gas is the 5th one, I would say. And there are a few more companies.
सर आपने डायनागैस का नाम नहीं लिया.
Dynagas currently is having 19 vessels plus.
But they have very good salary, I guess. The most सबसे ज्यादा salary किस LNG carrier पे, किस कंपनी में है सबसे ज्यादा?
Dynagas have not increased their salaries since past 7-8 years.
Okay.
So a few of you, if you are considering to be, not chief engineers but electrical officers, so Dynagas is one of the sought after companies for electrical officers.
For electrical officer, it is a sort of company.
Right. And otherwise now salaries are at par mostly. Management companies don't give that much.
And Nakilat, sir? Nakilat?
Nakilat also don't give that much salary, but decent enough. They're in the bracket of 17 to 21, I would say, for a chief engineer or master.
Just guys, sharing with you one stat. अभी मैंने सर वीडियो बनाया, just sharing it with you. सर पिछले 10 जब से LNG carriers बने, आज तक total 154 accidents of LNG carriers have been reported. But bulk carriers, जिसको हम कहते हैं कि सब जा पाते हैं, सर पिछले 10 साल में 128 लोगों की जान गई है और 34 लोग, 34 ships have drowned, sorry. So guys, just sharing some stats with, जहाज डूबते भी हैं, लोग मरते हुए पता होना चाहिए तुम्हें. ये सर के सामने वीडियो डलने वाला है. So, and on the other hand, when we say कि LNG carriers, you get paid more, they're risky. Guys, they are the safest ships.
Right. That is the true part. Because LNG carriers are considered to be the safest ship. That is for a reason why. That first of all, there are many checks and balances on board LNG carrier. So now, when I was doing, or rather, I used to take LNG familiarization course at MTI Powai. So a stat came, if you calculate the energy of one tank, that is considered to be equivalent to one atomic bomb that was thrown on Hiroshima, Nagasaki. So probably we are carrying 4 atom bombs. Theoretically, right? Practically, no. Why? Because the major constituent of LNG is methane, and it is the lighter most gas. So if a leak is there, it will not settle down. It will go up. Okay, and that is the best part of LNG carriers in comparison to LPG, where it is butane and propane, a heavier component. Probably you all are science side students, what I believe.
I hope they know the formula as well. क्योंकि मेरा अगला क्वेश्चन यही था पूछूं इनसे.
So they are heavier constituents, and they tend to settle down and create a fog. So if probably you would have learnt about that flammability range in your classes, 5 to 12%. So if you come in that range, then it will just burn like anything. And on LNG carriers, the checks and balances are so that there are gas monitoring equipments, there are alarms, there are immediate cut-off, there are emergency shutdown systems. Whole lot of things are there, and which due to OCIMF probably you would learn betting and all in coming future. So they keep a check on this part. So yes, it's true that it is one of the safest vessel.
Okay. On one hand, we realize that LNG carriers have the maximum salary, but we also need to ask sir कि एक LNG carrier पे to become a chief air captain, how much time does it take? Because on bulk carrier, it is around 8 years. In 8 years, you can become 8 to 10 years, I would say. मतलब on a gentle base. But on LNG carrier, how much time does it take?
See, actually, I took a long route. First of all, why? Because initially SCI was having 2 LNG carriers, as I said, in collaboration with MOL, NYK and K Line, and they only used to take people when you have done your class 4, right? Other Filipinos and all, they start when they are in college and when they are doing their junior engineer. That time they get inducted. But I had to do my class 4 motor, then I had to do my class 4 steam. And then I had to cover my both the times, motor and steam, because obviously you don't want to lose your motor ticket. That is very important. And then class 2 motor and steam combined, and then additional time covering class 1 motor and steam, and then covering another time for first engineer, taking this thing. So I started in 2007. I started Feb 2007 and I became chief engineer in 2019 November.
12 साल में. So then also it is very
12
fast
and
enough,
a
sir.
half hour,
Because
years.
then it's good, sir. भाई तालियां बजा दो यार, ये अपने आप ने कहा. See, sir, what I knew was, अब maybe आप slow कह रहे हो, but because I heard was कि 15-16 साल लग जाते हैं
Yes,
बंदे.
that is true. In companies, in European companies, they don't give promotion easily. Every rank they will keep pushing you for 2 to 3 years. Like if you will become 3rd assistant engineer or 4th engineer, as better we know, 3 years, 4 years, then another 2-3 years as 3rd assistant. Then there is an additional rank on LNG carriers as gas engineer. So that is neither a 3rd engineer nor a 2nd engineer, in between. And then first engineer. So probably my first engineer was about my age only when I was in Dynagas, probably 2 years elder to me. He was a Croatian. So then I was 38 and he was 4 years elder, 42. So still company was not considering to make him chief engineer. So yes, Praneeth is right. 15 to 16 years idle time for an Indian to become.
So you have to calculate this thing, guys. Another thing is, sir, अगर suppose कीजिए किसी बच्चे ने decide कर लिया कि I want to still for this much time and then I want to go for shore job. अभी से कुछ लोग सोच सकते हैं. But that is why we are making these videos, right? And these informative videos with बडेरा सर आ गया और कोई आ गया. So then don't you think, again suggestion is कि उन्हें अगर पता है कि उन्हें shore job पे करना ही है, let them go for bulk carrier या फिर जहां पर faster promotion, let them become captain chief and then go for shore job immediately. What do you suggest, sir?
See, bulk carrier you can become chief engineer fast, but then when Praneeth said share salary of chief engineer and LNG carrier, I would also like to share salary of chief engineer on bulk carrier also.
हाँ यार वो कम है.
Okay, so
$9,000, $10,000.
on bulk carrier, as Praneeth said, somewhere around 8,500 to 10,500 USD. So nearly half of what you are getting on LNG carriers. On LNG carriers, it is more about smart work and more of automation and more of theoretical knowledge that comes into play. Bulk carriers lately automation have come, but very less in comparison to LNG carriers. When you are holding up gas in your tanks, then coming to engine room is different thing when you are having only fuel. So they are two different things actually.
We can always agree to disagree, bhai. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. See, that is where we are doing discussions, right? So guys, this is something that I wanted you to know. जिन लोगों को लगता है they want to go for LNG carriers, we can always ऐसा कुछ webinar रखा सकते हैं फ्यूचर के अंदर. बट अभी फोकस कीजिए, join a good shipping company. Then maybe अगर आपकी shipping company does not have LNG carriers, you can always switch on after becoming a 3rd officer or a 4th engineer. कि मुझे यहाँ पर फ्यूचर चाहिए, and we will always have guidance of Vadera sir and other chief engineers, captains of working with LNG carriers, so that we can make well informed good decisions so that your career is not at stake. Copy it, guys? With this, please let us give a big round of applause to Vadera sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.